Hello everyone, welcome to another solutions video. In this one, we're going to be looking at question 3 from the conditional practice worksheet 1. Given 4 values from the user, we're going to determine if they have an average of 80% higher, and we're going to check for scholarships as well. So if they have an average of 90 to 94 inclusively, it's going to be a scholarship of 2,000, whereas an average of 95 to 99 is going to be a scholarship of 4,000. And so we're going to use conditionals, we're going to use if statements, we're going to use Boolean statements to help us complete this problem. So first, we're going to need 4 values from the user. So let's call them mark, and we're going to go int input, enter your mark. And what I'm going to do is just copy that over 3 more times. And we can say enter mark 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. In unit 1, we've done average calculations before, so it just quickly, we're going to add up mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3 plus mark 4. And since we have 4 values, we're going to divide it all by 4. Okay. Now, if you want to change that to like an integer value, that's okay. We're going to leave it as a floating point as it is, because a single division gives us a floating point returned. And we're going to go if, okay, our average is greater than or equal to 80. I'm just going to quickly print out a statement saying you have an average 80% or higher, right? So they met that cutoff. And here we're going to go print you do not have an average of 80% or higher. Okay, so they didn't make the cutoff of 80%. Here we're going to go if 90 is greater or equal to average less than or equal to 94, print you are eligible for scholarship of $2,000. Okay, so basically this is only allowed in Python. If you want to check for a range, you can definitely do it this way. In most programming languages, this would actually be written as greater than or equal to 90 and average is less than or equal to 94, like that. So this comment section, this is only for Python, but most languages will write it like this, and that's the preferred way. I mean, not the preferred way, but that will translate over to other languages. Whereas this, if this is more intuitive for you, you can use this in Python. And go elif if average is greater than or equal to 95 and average is less than or equal to 99. I go print same message here, but they are eligible for $4,000 scholarship. Okay. The reason I'm using an elif here because I want these two conditions to be related to each other. So if this was false, I want to check if this is true. Okay. Otherwise, they're not eligible for the scholarship. So I want them to be related. I didn't want to have 2 separated ifs here because we're doing unnecessary checks. If this was only false, I would check this. Otherwise, there's no need for me to check that. Okay. All right. So this is using conditionals on a problem that we done before where we were calculating average, and we added some new things where we can check for scholarships by practicing range. Remember that this kind of format is for Python only. It means the exact same thing as this, where average is in between 90 and 94 inclusively on both sides, because using greater than or equal to and greater than or equal to, where average is in between those two values. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.